A birdhouse. Like a myself. A big bird.
What did you do to that birdhouse?
I painted.
You painted it?
Yes.
Wow, what colors did you paint it?
You put red and green.
Here, take the cup out of your mouth. Say that again.
Look at myself.
Okay, put the cup on the table.
You paint blue and green.
Did you paint it all by yourself?
Yes.
Hello!
Hello.
Welcome to our show!
Look at myself more.
What do we have here today, Clara?
A birdhouse.
It's a beautiful birdhouse.
This I have to tell.
All right, we've got baby Cole. Are we gonna feed the birds?
Yes. We need the door.
We need to go to the store?
Yes. You need to play good food. No. The door.
What do you have? What is it?
Bird seed.
What are you gonna do with that bird seed?
At the birdhouse.
In the birdhouse?
And bird on the end. And bird on the end.
You're right.
Hi guys. A bag. Look at my bird seed. Whoa. Then we have one. There's some more.
Oh.
I got Whoa. They're really heavy. Heavy. I got bone. Make fruit. Johnny Jew.
Silly girl, don't call me Jenny.
Johnny.
You're silly. Do you want to trade me spots?
Yes.
All right, let's switch.
That's.
Clara did such a good job making it green and red and yellow.
And below.
Are the birds gonna like this?
Yes.
So we're gonna give them some food.
Wait.
All right, let's get started. We went to Winco and bought lots of bird seed. And we're gonna mix it together ourselves. Can you help me open this?
Sure. Need in house.
Okay.
Winter time.
Is it hard for birds to find food in the winter time?
Yes.
Okay, let's put this food in here. 1 cup of this. Put that in the bowl. Oh, good job. Do another scoop. Very carefully. Oh, one more. Okay. Perfect. Next. Yeah, the birds love these. How many cups do you want to do?
3.
3 cups? Let's do it. 1.
2. 3.
Good job.
I will do paper.
You mix those together. Did you just eat the bird food? Is it good?
No.
Yeah, I didn't think so. All right, here's some more. No, you gotta use, okay. Very carefully. Woo! How about we use the cup? Let's use the cup. Oh, use the spoon to put them in the cup. Okay. Woo! Perfect!
No, sunflower seeds.
Okay, let's use some sunflower seeds. Here's your cup.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Oh, wow, that's a big scoop. Woohoo!
1.
Again?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, and a handful. Oh, I see. Woo! Bird seeds. All right. These are the itty bitty seeds. No, not your hands. You gotta use the cup. Wow, what color are those?
Yellow. Making. Wow.
Looking pretty good. Yeah, birds are gonna love this. You got it?
Yes.
Can I help you mix it?
Nope. Making.
Mixing together. Get your hands out of that bird food. The birds don't want you touching their food. Can you go get that camera for me?
Sure. Okay, I do touch it. Hurry.
Wow, let's see it on your hand.
They are bird food.
Should we put it in the birdhouse?
Yes.
How do we put the bird food in the house? Here's a secret door.
Is it there?
See? Yeah, wait. This isn't working very well. Should we go use a funnel?
Yes. Tunnel. The And my tunnel.
A funnel. How does a funnel work?
And ball.
Food in the top goes to the bottom.
The bottom.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how it works, okay? So we put the funnel right here. Use the cup. Oh. Yes! Can you see it going in? Yeah. Should Mama try?
Yes.
Okay, let's fill it up. Here it goes. One more! Woo! We did it! High five! Give me a high five. Okay. We did it! High five! Yes! Wait. Whoa. You gotta close the secret door. Close the secret door. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Should we go hanging outside?
We're outside.
All right.
Let's be birds.
Okay, let's put on our shoes and feed the birds.
Coming. A bird. Want to eat it? Don't eat the bird shit. Bird.
Do you think it'll find it? It found it!
Hooray! Oh, you love birds?
I love birds.
Me too. What is it? Our bird don't eat food. He came out my hands. See? Making for food. Make food and tummies. We're hungry. Name my pet. Name my food. Name my food. Very hungry winter time. I love birds. Name my food. Name my. Mickey.
Just keep all those in. Those are the special ones.
Say, Mama.
The birds are in the trees.
Where?
Oh, Cole's mixing it up. All part of a well-balanced baby diet, right? Look at the camera and say cheese.
Cheese.
Good job.